Hey y'all, Sam here. It is the 4th of July, and today we are going to unbox my FabFitFun box for summer. Yay! This is my second FabFitFun box that I've received, and I really enjoyed the last one, so I'm really hoping we enjoy this one. On top we have the magazine, and in here it lists all kinds of interesting information as well as our products. I love this little magazine. I love that we can see details about the products as well as the prices, so that way I can tell you guys how much the stuff cost. I'm a little late to the game. A lot of people have already unboxed these, but mine just arrived really late, so it is what it is. All right, so item number one is this vase from Isaac Mizrahi. I'm not that excited about this, to be honest. So here is the vase out of the box. It's a very pretty vase. It looks like light pink paint dripping down it. This is a very matte finish. Dust and things like that will stick to this very easily. I can assure you that. But the pink glaze on top is beautiful. And this is what the bottom looks like. This vase retails for $28. I mean, it's cute. I just don't know what I'm going to do with it. All right, so the next item we got is a wireless charging pad. That's pretty exciting. This is by YUMI. Here is what she looks like. This is super cute. So let me take it out of the package. Let me take out the plastic so you guys can see what it looks like here. So if your phone is capable of doing wireless charging, then you just set your phone right on this and it will charge it. This retails for $35. As awesome as this is and as cute as it is, my Google Pixel does not have wireless charging. So therefore, I really can't use this, but maybe my next upgrade of a phone will have wireless charging and then I can use it. If not, I'll pass it along to someone else who can. So the next item was my choice item. Since I pay like by season, I only get to choose one item, I believe. And I did choose this item. This is the Michael Kors Passport book. This is so cute. This retails for $78. Now, the odd thing about me picking this is I don't even have a passport, y'all. I don't. I mean, anytime I've traveled out of the country, it was when I was younger and I was with my parents. That passport's expired now, and I guess I need to apply for one, but I don't really go anywhere, to be honest. So when I picked this, I was thinking that I might give this to one of my parents because they have traveled quite a bit, and that I thought my mom might really like this. This was a nice one. All right, item number 3 is a beauty item, and these are the items I love to get. So this here is the ZOE AYLA-Ice Roller. Never used an ice roller. I don't know if any of you guys have, but this is very intriguing to me. So here she is. What you do is you take this and you put it in the freezer and it gets nice and cold, and then you just roll it. Oh, it's actually cold right now. You just roll it on your skin, especially like for puffiness, you know, red spots on your skin. It's supposed to really calm your skin down, shrink those pores. As we know, when we like wash our face with hot stuff, it opens our pores. When you use something cold on your skin, it closes your pores. So I can't wait to put this bad boy in the freezer and try her out. This retails for $30. All right, next we have a makeup item, and this is from WINKY LUX. This is a Uni-Brow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. Not really sure an eyebrow pencil can be universal. I guess just if you go really light or if you go really hard, you can change like the density of it. It is one of those ones that has like that triangle kind of shape to it. And let's swatch her. She's pretty hard. Yeah, like, I'm not sure I'm gonna like this. Okay, so that's after going over it many, many times. That's probably the density and color that I would want. I'm just not sure I'd want to go over that so many times to get the color. If I do a single swatch, well, I guess that was 2, but that is the intensity that you would get. So it's definitely more of a like blonde color, and to get it dark, you have to go over it a lot. This pencil retails for $16. I mean, I can always use an eyebrow product. Eyebrows are like one of the things that takes the longest for me when getting ready. Just because my eyebrows are kind of thin. I have to really fill these bad boys in to get some color into them. All right, next we have this from Murad, and this is the Environmental Shield Essential C Cleansing Cleanser. Obviously, it's a cleanser. I said that twice. This is huge, y'all. This is, how many ounces is this? This is 6.7 fluid ounces. This retails for $40. So that's pretty expensive, but you do get a lot of cleanser in here. So looking at the pamphlet, it says that this is an antioxidant-rich citrus cleanser that removes impurities and awakes the senses. I like that. I hope it does smell like, oh, it's got a safety seal. I like that it has a safety seal, but I want to smell it. Yes, it does smell very citrusy. This would be a great one to use in the morning. I don't prefer to use like a citrus smell like in the evening when I'm like trying to relax and get into the sleepy mode, because this will definitely wake you up. So this is a great like morning routine face wash. Of course you can use it at night. I just think that this is going to be my morning one. All right, next we have a makeup sponge. I love makeup sponges. I use a makeup sponge pretty much every single day. This one is from MAKEUPDROP, and it's a hybrid makeup applicator. I don't know what makes it hybrid. Let me find out. Oh, okay, I get it now. One side is latex, so it's like hard, where your makeup is not going to sink into it. I tried the Scylla sponges, you know, where it's just like kind of like a breast cutlet, you know, kind of thing. I didn't care for that very much. And then the rest of it is like a normal beauty sponge. It is pretty dense right now. I'm gonna go wet this and see how much bigger it gets once we wet it. Okay, I'm back. It is wet now. As you can tell, it did grow about double the size. I did put it next to this beauty blender before I wet it so I could show you guys an example. And it did grow, definitely. This side at one point was like the whole side, and as you can tell, it's much smaller. It's definitely softer now than it was before. I'm just not sure this is something that I'm going to really like, because the latex side is on the side that I would normally use. As you can tell in this dirty sponge here, that I tend to use the flat side more so than any of the other sides. And for that reason, I'm not sure that this is going to be like my new favorite. If I didn't say this was $20 value. All right, we're down to the last item in the box, and it is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizer. I've actually tried this before, you guys, and I really like it. I wish it had like a good scent to it. I mean, a lot of people don't like scents in their moisturizer, which I completely understand, and that's probably why it's like this. Comes with a little seal on top, and you lift it up, and there's the cream. It is very milky. Like when they call it a milk, like, oh, see, it dripped. Let me put that back on there. All right, so here is it on the back of my hand. I'm just gonna rub it in. Y'all, it's so moisturizing. Oh, it feels so good. It really sinks into the skin really well. A little goes a long way, because like dabbing the back of the lid like is enough for my whole arm. just doesn't have like any kind of smell really that's good. It doesn't smell bad. It just doesn't smell good. So they say this is made with goat's milk, of course, since it's called goat's milk. It also has jojoba, avocado, and a gentle formula that absorbs into the skin, leaving the skin with a healthy glow. And this retails for $65. How many ounces is in here? 1.7 ounces for $65. Whew. That is a pricey moisturizer. Hopefully it does wonders for my skin. I mean, you can tell the arm that I moisturize. This one looks lighter than this one, but this one does feel so much more moisturized than this one now that I put that goat's milk one there. Okay, so that was all of my items. Let me tally it up so I can tell you guys how much my box was worth. I did pay $50 for this box, so we're hoping that we got at least a $200 value, which I'm pretty sure we got more than a $300 value because the Michael Kors thing was $75 to begin with, and this was $65. So I think it's gonna be a good value, but let me get my calculator. All right, we have a total $312. I was right. I knew this was gonna be over a $300 box, and I only paid $50 for this. So, I mean, I paid less than the price of this one product right here. And for that reason, I really enjoy FabFitFun. Of course, sometimes you're gonna get items that you just don't love, and that's okay. What you can do is keep those items in your little gift closet, and when someone's birthday comes up or a special occasion and you need a gift, it's great to have some really fabulous, good priced items that you can pull out and give to someone else that you think will really, really enjoy them. Just because it's not your favorite thing, you probably know someone in your life who would absolutely love it. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'd love for you to join the Glamslam family. Also, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, if you just liked me or my 4th of July makeup today. Or give me a thumbs down if you hate me and you don't want to see any more of these videos. Either way, it greatly helps out my channel by you guys leaving feedback. Also, please leave a comment below. Tell me which item you thought was the best item in this box. And until next time, bye y'all!